Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Soft. So as Java 8 series is going on, right? So the last sessions or last video I have covered Java 8 functional interface, Lambda expression, and currently we are running on the stream API, right? So I have covered some method of streams like kind of performing filter map with predefined data. Like predefined means I'm talking that integer type of data or string type of data, right? Now today we are going to cover how to perform this operation with the objects, right? So instead of giving some primitive here, right, I will provide some kind of object. So when you will face some interview, right, that time also you will get that questions what could be the scenario for that I will present in front of you. Okay, so let's start with that. So first what I will do, I will create an employee class. So let me create employee class, or let's say create a customer class. Let's say I will create a customer class. Okay, and the customer class having some attributes. Okay, let me pass that. So it is having some variable. Okay, like integer id, string name, string email, and list of mobile numbers, right? Then I have created some constructor, one constructor, all argument constructor, and getter setters. It's a simple Pojo class, right? So I will request guys, if you do not have a core Java understanding, basics understanding of object-oriented programming, please do not watch it, because this is some advanced level, right? Because it is covering Java 8 feature, right? So you should know that how to create Pojo class and how to create kind of a variable, setter, getters. Encapsulation is covering here, right? If you do not know, I will make a different video of it, and I think I'm making our core Java series differently, right? So if you do not understand the Java 8 features, please do not watch it and go with the core Java first, okay, or Java basics first, then only you can come on it. Okay, yeah. So that Pojo class is ready. Now I will create one more class that could behave like a kind of DB. So that could be say like customer DB, something like that. So inside that, let me cover some things on it. So what I'm doing here, let me import the package first. So in a customer DB, I created a one method called get all customers. So you can look like this is creating a one kind of stream, so or converting into a list. So here this customer DB will return me that objects. What is object here? We have we created one customer objects, right? In customer objects we have like 4 field: ID, name, email, and list of mobile numbers, right? And what I'm doing here I'm doing stream.off new customer ID, name, email, and mobile number, right? So that could be information of the one customer, that could be second customer, third customer, and fourth customer, right? So here I'm making a one list, right, that is having a multiple customers. So I'm making it because if you will go with that, right, that time it will be easy to understand kind of operation which we are going to perform. Later on it may be possibility the data which I'm adding here into a list you may get from the DB, right? So this ID, customer information, everything you may get from the DB also, and then you are converting into a list like that. Okay, so how to do get that? Okay, so there's a customer plan Java class, then we have a customer DB where we are converting that into a list only, right? Now I'm creating a one class that could be perform operation over with the streams. So let me, that could be customer test. Okay, let me create a main method. Now we have to perform different operation over there. Okay, what could be the operation? Let me write that one by one. So first you have to find that mobile numbers of every customer, right? We already have a data which could be customer DB, right? And you have a customer. Now what is the question we have? Find mobile number from mobile number and mobile number of every employee, right? Find mobile number of every employee. So what could be the approach for here? First, we already have a data, right? We call this customer DB. Customer DB is returning list of customers, right? So what I will do here, first I will call that method here, list of customer, that could be customers, equal to what method I will call? That method was a part of DB, get all customers. So it is a static method, right? So it can be called directly. Okay. So get all customer will give me a list of customers. So get all customer I am getting from the customer DB. Customer DB is a class where I added some number of customers in a list. So here I will get all this information which we have, like for example 101 Allen, 102 Black, 103 James, 104 Max, something like that, right? Everything I will get it. Now I got all the customers. Now what I have to do? I have to find all the mobile numbers, right? So what I will do here, same I will convert into a stream. Yeah, map is required here because I want all customers mobile number, right? Then filter is not required right now. Only what is required, map is required, map. Then what I will do here, I have to find mobile number, right? So I will create a one local variable that could be C, and C dot get mobile numbers, get mobile number, right? It will give mobile number. Then what I will do next, I will collect and convert into collector.toList. Collectors.toList. So what will happen here? I will get customers, only mobile number of every customers. So that will give me what? So that will give me what? Mobile number. What is mobile number type? Let's check here. Mobile number type is string only, right? So here it will give me list of strings. So that's also I have to write here, list of string. List of string, that could be mobile numbers, and numbers. MN, let me write MN. Okay. What is the problem here? Okay, it is written list of list. Okay, that is why it is giving that error here, because here we are getting mobile number, right? So mobile number is also having a list type here. Let's see here. It is having a list type. That means one customer can have a list of mobile number, right? So what it will return me? It will return me list of string. So I will write here one more list. Because of that is giving me an error. So that will return me list of strings, right? Because every customer will having a list of strings, and then it is returning multiple customers, right? So that could be list of strings, right? So what I will get here I will get that mobile number of every customers. Now let me write it, system.out.println, and I will get here customers, right? Let me run this. It is running test one. So you can see that I am getting a customers of all these customers, like ID, name, email, mobile number, right? It is giving me all customers information, but I want only mobile numbers, right? Oh, I have to display here MN, not customers, because here I will get all the customers only, right? So I have to display here MN. MN only will give me all customers. So you can see here I'm getting, first I'm getting outer list, and inside outer list I'm getting some list. So here I'm getting this, suppose for one customer, this mobile number is from one customer, this mobile number is from second customer, this mobile number is from third customer, because every customer is having like multiple mobile numbers, right? Multiple mobile numbers. So that's why we can get it here like list of list. Clear it. So here we have want find mobile numbers of every employee, so that we have go with the map, and then it is returning me a list of list using the collect method. So what collect method does, collect method is a terminal operation, right? It is converting my stream into a list, right, according to what it is returning. To do that, the same thing, we have a different way also. So here it is giving me a list of list. Now suppose if you want to return a single list only, find mobile number of every employees using, here we are using one more method called flatMap. So you will understand that difference between map and flatMap also. Here we have used map only, right? Now we are going to use flatMap. So how do we use it? So that time, let me write it, customers dot stream dot map or flat map. Let's say flat map. Okay. So what is a flat map? Flat map also is the one method of streams which is performing intermediate operation, right? What does it do? Let's look on it. Flat map does take function as a parameter, right? And it is returning the stream only. What it is returning? Streams only. So that means return the int streams consisting of, do we have any other flat map here? Map to double, what is the class name? Stream.java. So that is a method of stream.java only, right? Which is returning me a streams. Same like a map, which we have map, right? But map is taking function interface, and here it is taking streams like that. So what I will do here, I will do the same, like C arrow, C dot get mobile number. So I'm getting the mobile number, right? Here I got the mobile number directly, but mobile number we are not converting into a stream. So here it is having a nested stream, streams under the stream. So what I will do here, I will use stream method, right? So what is happening here? First I converted all customers into a stream. Then flatMap, what it is doing, it is also one method which is having a nested. Whenever we have a nested streams, right, then time we will use nested list or nested stream, right? That time we will use flatMap. So flatMap is doing by c dot get mobile number dot stream. Then what I will do here after that, simple collect collector dot toList, collectors dot toList, right? What it is written, it is returning me list of strings only. That's it, which should be MNO1. Right? So understand here what is the use of flat map. Actually that is interview questions also. What is the difference between map and flat map? So map is taking what function as a parameter, and flat map is taking what? Flat map is taking stream as a parameter. So it is taking mobile number and it is converting mobile number into streams, right? So whenever you have like, when it is used, so when we have a like nested list, when we have nested list. So nested list, why I'm saying nested list? Because your mobile number is performing like a nested list. First I have a mobile number, first I have a list of customers, and the list of customers I have a like list of mobile numbers. So list inside the list called nested list. So when we have a nested list, right, and you want to fetch that nested part, right, which could be inner part. Like for example, I want to fetch mobile number only, right? So what I will do here, first I will get all the customers, then I got the mobile numbers, and again I will convert mobile number into streams, right? Then I will convert into a list. So if you will get it here, system.out.println, and what I will do here, MNO1, something like that. Okay, now let me run this. So you can see the difference here, both of them. In this, that I am using the map. In the map, it is giving me like me a nested list inside the list. So I have an outer list and then I have an inner list. But in flat map, what I'm getting here, I'm getting a single list only. So it converted out into a single list, and then it is returning a single list. So that is the difference between map and flat map. You can do the same operation using the map also, but map will give me a nested information, kind of list inside the list. So if you want to convert that into a single list only, then we are using flat map. Right? So that is the purpose of flat map. So in this tutorial, we have seen how to use flat map with map. Right? So that is all about it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.